DIY detail sticker. Really awesome sprayers. I also got a mystery box. Hey, what's going on, guys? Santi with Sandia Shine Co. here. We got an exciting unboxing to do today. I ordered some more products from DIY Detail. A few of them are repeats that I've already had before, and then some are new products and tools. So let's get after it. Get this opened up here. We got some DIY detail stickers now. So some of the stuff I bought are repeats that I've had before. Some things are new. I got a mystery box for the second time. Of course, they have their really awesome sprayers. They're super, super comfortable. They have this little hanger right here to hang on your hand, and then the levers are really, really long. So like super, super comfortable to use. They always ship them separate. So let's get all these out the way. So a part of this, I also got a mystery box. This is the second mystery box I got, so I'm excited to see if there's new or different products. On the first one, I got All Clean, the glass cleaner, iron remover. So let's see what we got this time. First thing I got, this is brand new. Well, that's interesting. This one kind of tore open a little bit. I did order this one on purpose. It's not the mystery pack. I'm really excited to use this one. Oh, check that out. As a part of the mystery pack, sent me a second one. So that's crazy. So the mystery box itself is 25 bucks, and I think these are listed for like 20, 25 bucks. Next product up, we have the polish removing towel. This thing is really nice. It almost looks like wool, like the way the weave is. Feels really, really good. Honestly, I wouldn't mind sleeping in it. And here next we have a bottle of ceramic gloss. This is one of the products that I did purchase as well. Part of the mystery box, again, we got another All Clean. Okay, this is another one that I did actually purchase. We got the interior ceramic. This one I'm really, really excited to use. We got another bottle of tire dressing. This one was a part of the mystery pack. All right, also a part of the mystery pack this time we got rinseless. Next up is another product that we ordered specifically, not a part of the mystery pack. This one is Quick Beads. And then of course, I went in and picked up the gold standard polishing. Hey guys, real quick, you can click this card right up here with some reviews that I've done on their products. Also, if you want to learn more about these products, I'm going to put a link in the description. Top link will be to DIY Detail's YouTube channel, where they have really good videos demonstrating and teaching people about their products. Underneath that link is going to be a link over to their shop. It's not an affiliate link, no discounts, unfortunately. I just dig their products. I want to share them with you. And let's get going with the show. All right, guys, we got all the products out here. Just on display so we can run through them. On the right side here are all the products that I purchased specifically, and then over here on the left side are products that came from the mystery pack. So we'll start off over here. This one I was really excited to use. We got the gold standard polish. It's a sprayable polish. So the way that you use that is you turn on the polisher with the pad on it, spin it for just a quick sec, and then hit one spritz on the pad, and she's good to go, ready to polish. Ceramic gloss, I've had this one before, I dig it. Up next, this is a new product. We got Quick Beads. This is a graphene infused ceramic paint sealant, and you get crazy hydrophobic properties and paint sealant effects. Up next, we have interior ceramic. This one's a bit pricey, but I'm really, really excited to use this one. You spray on and you get ceramic protection on your interior, so like your carpets, your seat, your steering wheel. Generally, I think I'll reserve this one for like high traffic areas, like your steering wheel, like your driver's seat, and like the armrest, glove box, center console area, driver door, things like that. I also picked up the polish removing towel. This thing is super, super nice. I really, really dig it. It almost looks like wool, but obviously it's microfiber, so it's crazy, crazy soft. I would love to have an actual sleeping blanket of this material. It's super dope. So up next we have the Legacy Sponge from DIY Detail. I actually have a closer, better view here, one that's already open. We got the red side with the kind of like perforation cuts in the foam. This is for the rinseless wash. I imagine you could use it for other things, but this is specifically designed by or with Ivan from DIY Detail. Two different types of foam. Black is a little bit less aggressive and red is a little bit more aggressive. Neither side is aggressive enough to scratch your paint. Just a little bit different feel when you're cleaning your vehicle with that rinseless wash. And so I purchased one, and I actually got one in the mystery pack too. So that's super exciting. The mystery pack, I believe, is about 25 bucks. I'll post it right down here. And this sponge alone is 25 bucks. So that's insane, because we also got the All Clean. This one's ready to use when you get in the 16 ounce. It is ready to use. So you just throw a sprayer on there and you spray directly on the vehicle. If you get the gallon size of this, you do have to dilute it. So heads up there. I've been using this one. This one came in the first mystery pack that I got, the same 16 ounce, and I've already used it all up. So I'm excited to have this one. Up next, we have the tire dressing. Also another product that came in the first mystery box. I'm not disappointed to have it again. This stuff is super great. I actually ran through all of mine already. The other 16 ounce, you spray on, kind of let it dwell for a second, and then brush it or wipe it down, just to kind of level it all out, and you get really, really great gloss. Also in the mystery box, I got the rinseless wash. Love, love, love this stuff. I have a gallon over there on the shelf, and then I have another 16 ounce here in the van. So I am not, actually I have a 16 ounce in the van and a gallon and an extra 16 ounce on the shelf. I really dig this stuff for cleaning interiors, exteriors. I use it inside my home as well. Crazy, crazy good product. 100% recommend. I recommend all of these, especially the ones that I've used, but DIY detail stuff is amazing. And then new, I don't know if this is part of the mystery box or if they're doing this now, we got stickers. So that's super, super dope. I love stickers. So we'll probably put it somewhere here in the van pretty soon. But that's what we got. Some of my opinions. I'm super, super stoked to use these things. The gold standard sprayable polish looks crazy cool. I'm really, really excited to try out the Quick Beads, this product here, and the interior ceramic. This one's gonna be super dope. But I look forward to testing it out. I'll do some of my own tests, do some 50-50s, but DIY Detail has a really, really, really cool 50-50 test that they did on a microfiber. I'll pin it. Just look on the pinned comment, and you'll see like the effects of that. It's insane. All right, guys. So that's gonna wrap us up for today. Thank you for joining me. Go ahead and click this video right here. That's gonna take you over to a video of me setting up my van so you guys can see that process. Catch you on the next one.